You ever wish you had a clone? One that could grade your quizzes, answer students' questions, and maybe even remind you where you left your second coffee this morning? Yeah, same. Because let's be honest, teaching today feels like trying to juggle flaming bowling pins while riding a unicycle on a moving treadmill. But what if I told you there's a tool, not magic, not science fiction, but something real, here, now, that could make your job not harder, but smarter? Meet AI, not Terminator AI, not your job is in danger AI. I'm talking teacher's best friend AI. This video is part of our course AI for Education, Teach Smarter, Learn Faster. It's built for people like you, teachers, students, school leaders, who are drowning in tasks but hungry for tools that make learning actually work. And I promise, no tech jargon, no robotic voices, just real talk, real solutions, and real stories. Let's dive in. The chapter number one is the question of what even is AI and why should you care? Okay, AI, the artificial intelligence, is basically teaching computers how to think like humans. Kind of. It's like having a super fast, tireless assistant that doesn't sleep, complain, or need coffee breaks. But if it did drink coffee, it would finish your grading before your mug cooled down. Now, in education, AI does stuff like suggest personalized learning paths for students, give instant feedback on essays, translates language in real time, and also predicts which students need help before they ask for it. Imagine a classroom where every kid has their own invisible tutor whispering, "Hey, try that equation again. You almost had it." That's not the future, that's now. In the next chapter, let us discuss the benefits of AI, your new teaching assistant that works weekends. AI isn't here to steal your job. It's here to give you your evenings back. Here's what AI can do while you, I don't know, eat dinner like a normal human again. Number one, grade faster. Tools like ChatGPT or Google's AI can draft feedback, suggest edits, or even auto check comprehension quizzes. Number two, plan lessons smarter. Type grade 7 volcano lesson plan, 30 minutes with a game at the end, into ChatGPT. And bam, instant framework. And the third one is differentiate instantly. While you're explaining fractions to Mia, AI can adapt a simpler version for Mark and an advanced challenge for Max. It's not cheating, it's collaborating with something that doesn't get burnout. Chapter number 3, Ethics, the AI puppy problem. Okay, real talk. Just like you wouldn't let a puppy loose in a library, we have to teach AI how to behave. Here's where ethics matter. Number one, privacy. AI tools might collect students' data. Ask where it's stored, who can see it. Bias. If AI only learned from one type of student, it might misjudge others. For example, it could grade differently based on name, language, or phrasing. Not cool. And transparency. Students and parents deserve to know where AI is involved. Just like you wouldn't let a calculator take a test, AI shouldn't secretly make big decisions. So, yes, AI is powerful, but we're the humans. We set the rules. Think of it like a self-driving car, amazing tech, but someone still has to hold the steering wheel. Chapter number 4, Real Life AI in Classroom. That's already happening. Let's peek inside real schools using AI today. Number 1, Khan Migo. Khan Academy's AI tutor helps students work through problems, not just give answers like Clippy, if Clippy actually helped. Number 2, Quillians and Magic School AI. Teachers use this to generate quizzes, exit tickets, and even lesson summaries with just a topic. And number 3, Google Classroom AI tools help detect plagiarism, check tone, and translate comments for parents in their home language. I know there's a lot more. This isn't the future. This is already in classroom like yours. And for our last chapter, teachers plus AI is equal to dream team. Here's the truth. AI will never replace the one thing it can't replicate. You. It doesn't feel a student's anxiety. It doesn't notice the look when someone finally gets it. It can't replace your heart, your humor, your humanity. But it can help you scale your magic, like adding an extra voice in the room that says, I've got the admin stuff covered. Go be awesome. And now, before we end, here's the key takeaway for this episode. AI is here. It's not perfect. It's not scary, but it's powerful, used wisely. It can turn schools into places where learning is personal, fast, joyful, and where teachers don't burn out before March. We teach the heart. AI supports the hustle. In the next episode, we'll build your first AI powered lesson plan step by step. Spoiler alert, you'll have more time for coffee and naps and Netflix. No judgment. And if this video resonates with you, hit that join the course button and subscribe button. Share this with your favorite overworked, hardworking teacher and tell us in the comments, what task do you wish AI could take off your plate first? Let's teach smarter, learn faster, let's build the future together.